What you just saw? That was created with Google's brand new AI video generator, Veo 3. This thing is a game changer. We're talking stunning 8-second video clips generated from just text, complete with its own sound.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
Dialogue, sound effects, ambient noise, you name it. It's a huge leap from other text-to-video tools, delivering incredible animations, realistic scenes, and so much more. So, how can you use this? Well, I'm a UI/UX designer, and today I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm using Veo 3 to create a couple of short, engaging onboarding videos for an AI care application I'm designing called CareLink. Now, before we dive in, a quick heads up on accessing Veo 3. It's one of Google's latest and most powerful models, so full access is typically part of the Google AI Ultra plan, especially in the US. Google AI Pro users are also getting access, often with some trial generations or through tools like Google's Flow video editor. And yes, these amazing clips are currently capped at 8 seconds each, perfect for short, impactful visuals. All right, let's get to the magic. The absolute key to getting those wow results with Veo 3 is your prompt. Seriously, your prompt is everything. The more detailed and structured you are, the better Veo 3 can understand your vision and generate incredible visuals and those amazing native sounds we talked about. So, once you've crafted your masterpiece of a prompt, you'll typically head into the Gemini app, if you have Ultra or the right Pro access, and look for the video generation option. While that's cooking, let me quickly mention Google Flow. Flow is an AI filmmaking tool that also uses Veo technology, and it's another great way to generate these video clips, especially if you're on a Pro or Ultra plan.
I don't know if I'm on the right path, but I'm trying to find it. I'm questioning, searching, and then something shifts, and I'm not trying anymore, I'm just doing.
It offers a bit more of a dedicated video editing environment. I'll drop a link to more info on Flow in the description below. Okay, back to our generation in Gemini. And there it is. Pretty cool, right? Now, from my UI/UX work, the next step is to bring this into Figma, which is a design tool I use. I'll just upload the MP4 and it's ready to be integrated into my app's onboarding screens. Let me show you the second animation I created with Veo 3, this one for the splash screen of the same CareLink app. And listen to that sound. Veo 3 generated that too. That's the power of its native audio generation. It really helps set the tone. Tools like Veo 3 are rapidly changing how we create content. Imagine the possibilities for short-form storytelling, quick product demos, educational snippets, and yes, even cool elements for game cinematics or UI. This technology is evolving fast, and Veo 3 is definitely at the forefront of AI video generation. So, what do you think? How would you use Veo 3? Let me know your ideas in the comments below. If you want to see more on how AI tools like Gemini can supercharge your design, tech projects, or even your gaming, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if there are other Gemini features you're curious about, tell me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.